Let's get straight into this 5-minute calisthenics warm-up you can do as a follow along with me with no equipment. We've got 7 movements, 40 seconds each for 1 round, starting with an angel shoulder mobility. You can do this standing or kneeling like me. If you want to put your hands behind your back like this, pull the elbows together, draw an angel wing up, round, behind the head, close the elbows and chin, opening out, reach up, draw that angel wing back up the center of your back, relax the elbows forwards, pull the elbows together, reach down, arc round, and repeat. Next, we're going to do some wrist mobility. Start your fingertips up, turn around, curl the hands. We're going to do this figure of 8 movement. It's really important to warm the wrists up when you're doing calisthenics. Next, we're going to go into the feet. We'll just start off with a squat, and then we're going to hinge and do a Y shape with the arms and body, and then alternate. So squat, chest upright, then hinge and reach into that Y raise. Keep alternating between the two with an upright squat, and then a hinge to Y. Drop onto the knees, and then we're going to extend into a pike hold, dropping back to the knees, lift the hips up high, come up onto the tiptoes, trying to get the torso as vertical as possible. Okay, into a high plank position. Take the left foot on the outside of the left hand, turn and reach that left hand, and take the right foot on the outside of the right hand, turn and reach that right side. Keep alternating sides. If you're finding it difficult, just step your foot a little bit wider. Try and straighten up through that back leg, getting a nice hip flexor stretch. It's a bit of an all-rounder with this one, opening out the chest, the hips, the hamstrings. Okay, next, I'm going to go for some wrist clocks. So you're going to be walking a clock face round, just leaning into the stretch on the flexors each time. And then finishing up with some tabletops. So you're just going to pop the hips up into that bridge, sitting them back down, opening the chest, pulling the shoulder blades back. A nice stretch on the bicep, the front of the shoulder.
That's the routine complete. I hope you have a great calisthenics workout. If you want to join me for a follow along, I'll link one of my workouts here. And here's a playlist with a bigger selection. See you for one of those.